Hi everyone, this is Dennis Peich and this is my shop. As you walk in the shop, you'll notice that it's kind of segregated into two separate areas. This is the blacksmithing and the bladesmithing area, running with forging and grinding. This big galvanized room in the middle of my shop is something I just put together a couple weeks ago. It is a grinding room for my 4,000 pound Proth surface grinder. It's fully automated on the X and Y axis, but not the Z axis, which I converted to belt, and I'll show you more about that in a few minutes. It's a 20 by 30 foot shop, and we're going to walk right to the very back first and start off here. This is my grinding area, my belt grinder. You'll see set up there. It's a 3 horse, 3 phase, 220 VFD. I built it myself. It's a really nice machine, I think. Most of the parts all the parts were done on my CNC, so it's quite accurate. And I had that thing at about 7,000 feet per minute, so it really flies. Here I have two 9-inch grinders. Both of them are on 1 horse, DC variable speed. Quite nice actually. This is my first grinder. It's a 2-wheel Canute grinder. This thing is, I think, in my opinion, the best grinder for the money. $600 for the complete system, anodized, full CNC. It's got 8-inch contact wheel, flat grind. It's even got a built-in small wheel attachment, what I think is pretty unique, all in one package. Above my grinding room, I have a dedicated filter system for wood and all my belts. Here I have one of my assembly benches. It's got my vise, both vices. Here I have some blades that I've just profiled. I'll be starting grinding those out and heat treating them this weekend. A pin press that I built. This is a pretty unique machine I bought. I actually built it. It's part of a PCB CD, CNC router that I've converted. Put a new controller on it, new spindles. It does a very nice engraving. It's got some vice that do dog tags and a whole bunch of other cool things on it. I have some really cool ideas on that. It's got a 20,000 RPM spindle. It's got a diamond grip engraver. It's a pretty unique thing I don't get to use very often, but I'm hoping to get to it soon. My compressor. My drill press. And my Tormek. We're just going to pan out here. Underneath my little CNC engraver is a 4 foot by 2 feet by 4 by 2 by 2 or 3 by 2. Anyways, it's full of 1080 and 15 and 20, all shared into 1.5 wide by 8 inches. Under my bench here are also, you'll note, 5 5-gallon pails full of 1080 and also 15 and 20. On this side I have my buffer, and here I have my Rockwell tester. This is more of an assembly bench for my final assembly bench. It's where I do most of my final handle work. It's got a flat plate. I have an industrial etcher, which I think is a much better performer than the smaller ones you can get today. All my sandpapers, arbor press. I got a drying box for handles. All my screws and Corby rivets and all those things. My toolbox is where I have all my tools. And I'm going to go over here and end this video so it's not so long and start another one. And I'm going to end off here at my pen lathe, variable speed pen lathe. It's a General. And my bandsaw. And while I'm here, I might as well show you one of my heat treating options. Till the next video.